This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials and taking immediate safety actions. Put the truck on level ground, chalk wheels, and raise it with a jack and stand so you can work safely under the frame. Once stable, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts and airbag faults. Make sure to wear eye protection and gloves. Next, remove the wheel where you'll service components. This exposes brakes, hub, and suspension so you can continue with the actual removal steps. You now dive into the more detailed disassembly. Remove the caliper and rotor if you're accessing the hub or brakes, and hang the caliper to avoid stressing the brake line. Once done, support the suspension with a jack, then unbolt the control arm, tie rod end, or sway link depending on the part being removed. Make sure to label electrical connectors and brake or ABS lines and cap open fittings to prevent contamination. Slow, methodical unbolting. Finish by reinstalling components in the reverse order, making sure mating surfaces are clean and bolts get proper torque to factory specifications. Use a torque wrench for critical fasteners. Once everything's reassembled, reconnect the battery, clear stored codes if present, and perform a cautious test drive at low speeds to confirm function. If you hear unusual noises or detect leaks, stop and recheck torque and connector seating. A common troubleshooting tip: retorque wheel lugs after 50 miles and double-check brake line routing if pulsation or dragging occurs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.